To export any grower farm field information that you would like from field ops to any connected piece of machine, we'll first go to the send and receive files in the top right. We'll click export. And here it'll ask for an export type. With the drop down here, it'll show a bunch of different monitors that you can export for. For most connected machines, that's going to be your Pro 700, 700 Plus, Pro 1200, and the equivalent for your New Holland, as well as your Viper 4 Plus for Raven. Today I'll select a Viper 4 Plus. It'll give you your default file name, and then we will select Send to Equipment. And we will click Next. And here in the next screen, we will select our organization, which is just our field ops account, and the field computer, which is just the machine that we wish to send it to. Click Next. Now here it'll ask which growers, farms, and fields you would like to send. I'm just going to send the demo one for now. And here you can select which fields you would like to send as well. And then you can also include your products, prescriptions, swaths, landmarks, and boundaries. If you want to include your swaths, you can. Once you have selected yes for your swaths, it'll add a bit more information you can select from. You can select your swath types you'd like to send and your swath grouping. So this is why it's important to select your grouping when you are creating a swath within field ops. For now, I'll just send the spraying swaths. And here we'll also include our boundaries. Once you have what you want selected, you can click Next. And that'll open up a screen on the next page here, giving you a summary of everything you're going to be sending to your machine. Once you view everything and are happy with what you see, you can just click Finish. After clicking Finish, you should see a message here saying that the file was sent successfully and to which field computer it was sent to. And that is how you send grower farm field information to a connected piece of machinery.